Hey, what's up, guys? This is Stenz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be doing some analysis, showing analysis for the week, bias for the week, what I'm aiming for. So, this DXY, once you first know is that I don't trade launch pairs, I trade only GBPUSD and DXY for direction. I don't trade DXY, dollar index, I don't trade it. This is to determine the direction. Maybe if DXY is going bullish, then JPUSD will be going bearish. So that's what I do. So now here, if you check, this is the daily time frame. All these analysis here is from monthly down to the 15 minutes. That's just it. But now I'm showing from daily. The daily, if you look here, we've been coming down. We're going up before bullish, bullish. Then broke a high. Normally, high is the liquidity. Took out this liquidity here, which is a high. We started falling. It was bearish. Our main aim was bearish throughout from last week. It was bearish. Last week bearish, yes, bearish. And from the start of this month it was bearish. Now we hear DXY. We go to our POI here. If you check here, you see a new day opening gap. See it here. This line here. Yes, that's it. New daily opening gap. And if I go to the 4 hours, you will also see another block. So price coming here, we already had this in mind that there's a potential reversal zone here, which it can reverse from. So now let me go to the 4 hours. Remember, everything DXY is doing, I'll be doing the opposite on JPUSD. I'll be expecting the opposite on JPUSD. If you check here, these 4 hours, see the 4 hours, this other block here, it's got respected. Just tap into it, then immediately start pulling up. If you check, it broke low here. It's super low here. You see, once it was coming from this side, they were consolidating throughout this space. I think there was that. Can't get it, but this is doing trend. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Now, I broke the eye. Now coming down here. See, sweep of low. A break of market structure created favorable gap. Now see another block. Which I check on daily. That's also a new daily opening gap. So price coming down here. I don't focus much on the past. I focus much on the present. Because the present, you want to know what price is actually doing there. Price won't tell you much. It's the present to see. So now, that's the price tapped here. Reject the first time. And also reject the second time. So immediately, I moved down to my 1 hour time frame. See, this was Thursday's low. It got broken. See, when it broke it, I tell you that lows and highs are liquidity. Normally, yes. So once you take a liquidity, you want to look for your setup, your model, till I look for your entry there. So took out this low, then I was looking for my model to go in. Since it's already tapping in this other block, is like a confirmation for me. Took out liquidity. So going to other block, so it's valid. So let's see. So now I struck down to my 15-minute time frame. I think that was from 1 hour. On 15 minutes, you can see here. It was clear to come clear to you, but not that clear. But you can identify what's happening. You see, broke of structure came down here. Go down again. Then this one broke. Then this came down here again. Then created the high. Then break through again. See, break this high, like taking out liquidity again, and broke this structure here. And that structure, then break this higher structure. Then started buying all the reading. Took out this high again. Come down, tapped in. You see, for it to like tap in to be like verified, to be confirmed, for the zone to be valid, you need to take out liquidity. So once you took out this liquidity, tapped in here, start buying. Would make our zone very valid. So now the 5-minute time frame, you can see how it got the entry here. See here, immediately came down, broke this high, And you see here, broke this high again. As soon as broke this high, started going up, it came down here again. Yeah, that's it. See it. So now let's go to GBPUSD. So I'll show you how also to check there. Hours Friday. So majorly, since that was just description of Friday, at least 15 minutes. Let me show you my with this guys. Say after I did all this, starting going, created a fair value gap here, which wasn't feed. Like the fair value gap wasn't feed, like the pending orders it wasn't feed. And just keep moving up, and broke this side. Formed a pattern, entry model here, and go down to 5 minutes. So you see, took out this is equal high there. Then immediately displacement downward, which broke structure in the structure. You can see the structure. If I go down to 3 minutes to see it, I created a fair value gap. Immediately I draw up the fair value gap, mark that what it did. See, mega structure here. Then tapped in, it started falling. This was Friday. It didn't like anticipate much, it didn't fall down much to go feed the fair value gap downward. But I think this week, so it will come down here and fill it. So this week we might be aiming on the market open, looking for like set downward. And to be anticipating it. Normally what I always do is that I don't get to trade aggressively. I trade confirmation on my model inside the PO. Always look for confirmation. That's just been helping me also. So now see here, tapped in there, immediately start selling. Press name here. 5 minutes. You see, I marked as for this place as liquidity. I think market is going to take out this side. Probably. Because we check up here, there is a fair value gap here, which doesn't feed. So probably market is going to come down. If I go down to my 1 hour, you see, so it's start on 4 hours. Let me show you something. See the 4 hours. See the other block here. See it. The structure, talking about structure also. See the other block. Yeah, that's it. So they also give us a high probability that yeah, there's a big other block here which price might be out from. So that's also hard to happen. Now let's go to GPUSD. This GPUSD, why DXY was tapping into a new week order, a new day opening gap, and in another block, the GPUSD was tapping into a breakout block. See this bearish candle here. Yes, was tapping into a breakout block. Immediately I saw that, then start seeing rejection. Yeah, move down to my 1 hour. So you can see in the 1 hour here, you see broke this new daily. Sorry, it broke this daily high. Immediately start falling, start seeing momentum fall, and it fell down. Immediately break this daily. I was also looking for a confirmation. I know this wasn't going to hold price. I need to take out this high, then start selling again for everything to be like surely confirmed that right. So then I looked deep into it, like much more. Then I saw, then I go down to 15 minutes. 15 minutes here, you can see this. I got in from this first point here. This first point here. That's why I got in from here. 15 minutes, I saw the break of New Delhi. I told you high is our liquidity, lows are liquidity also. Once you guys are looking for confirmation during London session, formation to sell because it's already in the breakout block. So it's like to set. So why not I look for confirmation? So I'm looking for confirmation. Then I saw this move up on here. I saw this big drop down. Then I quickly moved to my 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I see a bogey structure here. Took out this size, this size, then break structure. It was going high, creating higher high. lately broke structure, same creating high, low, higher, sorry, a high, a low, a lower high. Automatically, what you expect is lower, lower, so, but it might come back to also this at my atlas and inducements. But I got in through here. My stop was above here. This is it wasn't up to 20 pips. I'm not sure. First, let me scroll down to the 15 minutes to show you something. Sorry. To the 15 minutes, you can see this big bearish order block. That break structure. You see the blue bearish order block. So I was on that is why I got in from here. It tapped into the other block. This impulse you see here was news. Like just to feel if you check in 5 minutes, you see there are some fair value gaps in there which it got filled. Yeah, so this and this and see, yeah, that's it. So on the 15 minutes was the other block. It wasn't up to 15 pips now. It wasn't up to 20 pips, sorry, I'm to say. These let me check. It's 30.2, I think. Yeah. I was aiming for this low. I was aiming for this low. So I know immediately after this low, there might be a point of we are reversal, sorry. So it hits TP. Immediately, it didn't hit TP immediately. It was the next day it hit TP. I just hold it overnight. So now if you check here on the 15 minutes, when I said marking out for the structure, how the market moves. See, yeah, these are doing news, JP news, starting, then I saw some fair value gaps here, which need to be filled also. Surprise coming here, I didn't have any panic. Since my stop seeing having the, I haven't stopped that also. So now I dropped, I saw this fair value gap here. The next the pricing coming into here. And I know why, because price needs to take out something this low before you can come here, because you can see some orders here waiting for it to be triggered up. Then feed them so that can come down. Also with DXY, what I showed in DXY to show you that you using DXY is that showing the main direction. You know, DXY is selling, like it formed that sell, it broke that high, then trying to sell down. But you see JBUSD broke this low, trying to buy up into a fair value gap. Also with DXY here, you see, it's trying to sell down into the fair value gap. That's just how it is. You use DXY for like to show you directions, how it's moving. If you look, let me show you. See, both form the same time, both fair value gap form the same time. 115, 115. So I marked out this as a liquidity. I won't be expecting price to reverse at this point here, but it might reverse. I'm not the market, so it's up to the market. But if price reverse here and it feels fair value gap, it might not be like a long sell. Might just be short, reversal, short, then immediately might come back up here, then safely. So from here, I'll be aiming from this fair value gap up. If price gets there, I'll be aiming to this low up here. Sorry, my stop will be here. This is just showing where my stop will be. My stop will be above there, but I won't get entry there because I look for confirmation to go in. So I'll be looking to take out this low. This is it. DXY coming in here. Give me from so maybe this high here. Yeah. and for this side. And that's it. So guys, we're bringing more amazing content. This is just a first review. Many more on the way. And ensure to be patient for your setup. I waited. This block has been created for like months. I've been waiting for it to get there. It's just patient. Though I took some trade for it while it was on the way getting there, but everything is just patient. I'm just patient to say before price gets here, I don't need to be selling. Or if you have been selling, you know, I need to wait for my setup and hold to come in. Also, I took this buy here. Immediately, let me show you my 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'm sure exactly it's clear. It's correct. Immediately, I'm showing you. You see, DXY, I saw DXY broke a high, then I immediately I come and saw this one broke low. And let's see that so this break of low here. And immediately it moves up to cut this high. And the result of liquidity here. Just need to be taken out. And if you check here, there's a fair value gap. See fair value gap, go feed into immediately. Start buying. I took a loss this week. Yes, I took like just one loss, yes. Just one loss, then 2 winning trades. That's it for this week. I will do the review maybe later in this week so you guys can see what made it to be lost and what happened. Yes, that's it. And all these trades I'm taking here, I document them, journal them, just for reference points. You know, when you're in business streak, you need to go back to your trade. Yeah, am I getting from? What's happening these days? That's just that. So thank you guys for tuning in today. So maybe hopefully next time get better entry. Don't forget, blues are the ways. Thank you. Blue Nation, as always. Bye guys.